Hello everyone, in today's video, I would like to share with you some transplanting care and tips from hydroponic to soil garden. Proper transplanting will help the plant to be able to adopt in their new environment. Here are the care and tips on how I transplant my hydroponic tomato plant to soil. Tip number 1. Determine the right time or weather. It is best to transplant on cloudy or rainy days or after sundown. The milder temperature will reduce stress and help transition of the plant. Tip number 2. Dig a hole at least 8 to 12 inches deep. When you bury the tomato plant deeper into the ground, more roots will develop. This will provide more productivity to absorb nutrients available in the soil. Tip number 3. Add soil amendment like compost or manure, calcium and Epsom salt. This will help health growth, increase flower and fruit production. Tip number 4. Provide sufficient watering. Since hydroponic plant grows in water, it is necessary to provide ample supply of water for plant transition to their new home. Tip number 5. The crucial period, 3 to 5 days. This is the important period to give an extra attention to your newly transplanted plant. Most of the time, especially when it's a sunny day, the plant will show some wilting. Do not be alarmed, this is normal as the plant is adopting and in transition phase. To avoid excessive sun exposure in this period, cover the plant with shade net or planter pots. When covering the plant, ensure that there is a ventilation to prevent suffocation. The best time to cover your plant is from 10 or 11 a.m. and uncover it after sundown. If you find this video is useful to your gardening method, please like, share and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will not miss new and upcoming videos. Happy healing, keep going, and keep growing.